Do you have pile of invoices pending to be uploaded? Do you create sales invoices even before uploading the purchase invoices into your inventory and billing management system? Does it take long time for you to upload your purchase invoices into your inventory and billing management solution? The answer to all these problems is AI upload of Elixire. Does not matter how many items are there in your purchase invoice, 200, 300 or 500. AI upload of Elixire upload such bills within 2 minutes. It's a very simple 3-step process. Number 1, take a clear picture of the bill. Number 2, send that picture to a predefined email address. Number 3, wait for 2 or 3 minutes. You will get a notification. The entire bill containing 200, 300 items would be uploaded and created in your Elixir. Now, let's witness the practical application of AI upload in Elixir. This is an invoice provided by one of the suppliers. This invoice is a 3-page invoice which has around 50 items. I'm going to upload this invoice into the Elixir using AI upload. The first thing I'll do is basically I'll send these images to a predefined email address provided by Elixir. All 3 images I'll send. After sending these images, I'll wait for a few minutes to get the notification in my Elixir. Purchase draft of invoice number SB244934 is ready for review. This invoice number is same as SB2449348. Now we will just click on this, and here the entire invoice has been uploaded into Elixir. Just a click of button. User just need to review the data, press the submit button, and the entire invoice would be pushed into Elixir and inventory would be available.